Okay, guys, I've been doing my best, humping it, doing all I can, but I'm gonna have to admit, I need help. And I got pallets of MREs, meals ready to eat. They're a lot better than they used to be when I was younger and ate these things. And we got a whole bunch of water. The MREs, the meals ready to eat, they really need to be moved to the shade. Unfortunately, we don't have a warehouse. All the buildings I personally own, all been destroyed, washed away. I got nowhere to put this. And John Grace's little building that we've been putting our supplies in, it's busting at the seams. It's not real big. Hey, it's devastating. You can look around, background, see it's trash down here. There's not much left. So, if I could get somebody some heavy equipment that could pick this up, pick up the pallet. You see how it looks down there? You got some forks or something to move it up to at least a shady place to get the MREs here out of the weather. That would really be more than awesome. That would reduce a lot of my stress and make me happy, and probably make my friend John happy when he comes back and everything's kind of under control. I also could use a few volunteers to help me move and organize some of the produce and other items. We have an overabundance of apples. Please come hungry to eat a lot of apples, or I don't know what to. I think what we're going to do is feed all the questionable fruit to some chickens and trade them to them for some eggs up by Billy Murphy's house. Billy would be really happy we found a new coop for him too, I might add. He's not fond of the chickens. But anyway, I'm trying to keep it light. I really, really could use some help. And I'm also going to need some help to help recover my equipment. And that will require the use of a UTV. I'm going to need some help, maybe a truck. Hey, I really appreciate you guys. I'm kind of trying to do what I can, but I'm going to have to reach out and say, hey, I need some help too. Thank you very much.